Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing you how to make these cute little teeth. And these are 5 different variations of teeth that I learned in dentistry that I just kind of gave it a cute little spin on it. So first we're going to show you how to make the normal tooth. So for the basic tooth shape, we're going to take some white clay and pinch out 2 legs, and these will be the roots of the tooth. And the tooth that we are making specifically are called molars, and these are usually the most back teeth you have in your mouth. Then for the top part, which we call the crown, you want to pinch it into a square, flatten it out, and then kind of make a little heart indent on the top, and then round off all the corners. And I decided to make a mold of my tooth just to save time. Next, for the face, I gave it dot eyes. And a line smile. So the next tooth we have is called the Composite Restored Tooth, or tooth colored filling. So I'm putting some translucent clay into my mold. And once the mold is completely filled in, I'm going to pop it out of the mold. And using my blade, I'm going to cut out a little corner of the top right or top left of the tooth. And I'm going to place the little fragment back in the mold. And this is going to represent the composite or tooth colored filling. Next, I'm filling the mold with white clay and cutting off the excess. And I'm giving it some dot eyes and a line smile. Next we have a Carious Tooth, or what we like to call a tooth with cavities, or cavity. So I'm going to take my large dotting tool and I'm gently impressing a giant circle into my tooth. Next I'm going to fill the crater with some brown clay and I'm going to flatten it out with the same dotting tool. And the brown is supposed to represent the cavity, and we like to call it caries, which is created by bacteria. And the same thing as the others, I'm going to give it dot eyes and a line smile, but because this tooth has a cavity, I'm going to give it a line frown instead. So next we have an amalgam or a silver filling tooth. So I'm taking my dotting tool and I'm etching out a giant asterisk sign. When an asterisk is like the little star symbol on the phone, but I'm going to stretch it out so it's kind of long. And I'm taking some Fimo liquid clay along with some silver glitter and mixing it together. And I'm filling the indent with my glitter clay mixture. And I'm giving it dot eyes and a line smile. And this restoration is a class 1 because it's confined to the top part of the tooth in the middle, and that's what we call an occlusal amalgam filling. And finally we have an ortho treated tooth, or a tooth with a bracket or braces. So I'm adding a giant silver square / rectangle onto the top part of my tooth. And I'm adding 4 little rectangles on the corners of the little square. So next we have a little thin snake of silver clay that goes across the bracket that we made. and it goes all the way around the tooth. And finally, it gets another dot eyes and line smile as well, and it's ready to bake according to instructions. Now I decided to give it some layer of glaze just for some extra shine, so I placed it on some scrap pieces of clay. And with my paintbrush, I put on a layer of UV resin and let it cure under the UV lamp for 2 minutes. And this is how the final product turned out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a little bit on the educational side because I'm showing you like the little dentistry aspect of it, but it's also just very cute and adorable, I think, with the little eyes and smile. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you want to see for my videos in the future. Thank you. And I haven't forgotten, I still have a bunch of requested tutorials that I have in my previous videos, which I'll be working on as well. So be on the lookout for that in the future videos as well. Thank you.